to, just like yours, to kind of get some hope, get some inspiration.
Lord knows we need help.
Yeah, and some comfort.
We need help. And so how do people, see the show?
Right now, our medium is YouTube. They can go on there and type up Henry Harris 100,
Harris 100,
100, and they can watch it there. And that's where they can watch it.
Yeah, and you have an email address and you have a phone number.
Yes.
And we have it on the screen there along with your Facebook information. So those of you that didn't catch the Henry Harris 100 on YouTube, you can Facebook, there's the information there. And or you can go to my site and I'll be happy to lead them over to you. But this is exciting because you've had some good guests. You've had Maya Angelou. How did you get her?
I sent the email about the middle of last year, I believe, to interview her on my show. And we checked it. My wife, I was just happening to go through my emails. My wife looked at me and she screamed, Maya Angelou. I was like, what's wrong with you?
Yeah,
so
that's awesome.
I checked the email and it was like, her publicist was like, hey, she's interested. So that's how that came about. And I've had
so what did you talk about with her?
What did I talk about with her? I really don't remember. I talked about Why the Caged Birds Sing, her book that she wrote several years. That's what we talked about.